This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Acura NSX in Asphalt 9. To add this fantastic car to your garage, your main goal will be to collect its specific blueprints. These blueprints are crucial for both unlocking the car initially and then upgrading its star level, which significantly boosts its performance. You'll primarily earn these through dedicated in-game activities. One of the most reliable ways to get Acura NSX blueprints is through car hunt events. These are special, time-limited events where you race using designated cars to earn event packs. Each pack has a chance to drop NSX blueprints. You'll need to play these races many times, sometimes hundreds, to collect the 35 blueprints required to unlock the car at 1 star. Beyond car hunts, the Legend Store is another avenue for blueprints. It refreshes regularly, so check it daily for Acura NSX blueprints, which might be available for in-game credits or tokens, typically at higher garage levels. Additionally, you can try your luck with various car packs available in the store, as some premium packs offer a random chance to drop NSX blueprints, though this method can be less predictable. Once you've unlocked your Acura NSX, the journey continues to maximize its potential. You will need a total of 103 blueprints to take the car from 1 star all the way to 4 stars. Invest your in-game credits and import parts to upgrade its top speed, acceleration, handling, and nitro. A fully upgraded NSX, with a rank of around 3,200, will be a formidable competitor in many races and events.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.